Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use CapCut Pro completely free, no login or no any third-party downloads, just smart built-in tools that give you the same pro level results forever. So first of all, you need to come here on CapCut.com. You can download the CapCut software from here absolutely for free. You can start using its free version and you can learn some of the tricks with the help of which you can basically start using the pro level editing in the CapCut's free version. But since the topic of this video is to get the CapCut Pro for free, when you open the CapCut, you can skip the login page and head straight to the editor. You are going to find all of the pro built features like multi-layer editing. Then we have keyframes, masking, slow motion, color grading are already available in the base version. You can also try the CapCut's online method, with the help of which you can use CapCut absolutely for free in your web browser, and there too you are going to find all of the premium transitions, slow motions, masking and bunch of other features too. You can also access the premium transition filters and effects through the built-in templates library. You just have to tap on the option of template, choose any of the pro label, and it still runs without needing a paid account. You can export them as usual. There is no watermark if you stay inside the app's default setting. For fonts and the overlays animations, you can use the resource tab. You can just use CapCut regular updates. It's free to pro assets. And when editing on the desktop, you can use CapCut Web or CapCut PC application. Both offers the advanced tools like background removal and color LUTs at no cost. You can also use some of the AI applications in order to get the best transition and then edit them in your CapCut's free version. So again, with the help of some of the little tricks, you can just start using CapCut Pro absolutely for free. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.